Arrive in style with this BMW 2015 535i xDrive. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are satellite radio, navigation system, rear view camera, instrument cluster with extended contents, power tailgate, head-up display, comfort access keyless entry, parking distance control and heated front seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.